Hey guys, this is Chris with Spinning Grillers New York with the Pita oven. This is Pita 30, the small size oven, which is great for your small establishment, small restaurant. It gives you in equivalent to about 600 pitas an hour. And I'm going to show you an example of how we make the pita. I'm going to show you how to make the thick pita that's great for sandwiches. We're not talking about the Syrian or Lebanese thin pitas. This is the Palestinian thick pita for stuffing sandwiches. So bear with me. I'm gonna get a close-up and I'll show you exactly the process of making the pita. The most important part is heating the oven. Heat it. It's gonna take about 15 minutes. Get one of those infrared thermometers, shoot outside. Should be up in the upper 500s. It's perfect. And then we can start doing pitas. So let's start. We're gonna start putting our dough. As you see, guys, we're gonna let it turn to maybe 3 to 4 rotation to get the perfect baked inside, outside, thick pita. As you can see, it started to puff up. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit here so you guys can see. So now this is almost, it's gonna be the second turn. The dough has puffed. There you go. Look how beautiful that pita is. It's thick, nice. This is about the second turn. We're gonna let it do about three to 4 turns. It depends on the color that you're trying to achieve. So now again, I'm going to show you. It's puffing up. It's starting to get a color. I think that the fourth turn is the one where you're going to achieve the full color. This is the fourth turn. We already achieved the color one. I'm going to show you guys. Beautiful, thick pita. This is baked on both sides. In a second, I'm going to open it up and show you how the inside of the pita looks like.